The website that I'm going to use today is Lexia Learning. This is a creative way for teachers to get info from different students, just because a teacher cannot be interactive with each student and figure out how each student is doing. It's impossible because there's so many students to be assured of how they're doing. So this gives a way to give that. This gives data back to teachers about how their students are doing and their improvement in class. Through this website, it assigns students to go through a certain course, and it goes through all kinds of grade levels. As you see, it says grades pre-K through 5, grades 6 and above, and grades K through 12. So I can't actually like show an example of the assignments just because like the students have to create a login and sign in. But I can just show you that what it looks like, the overview of it. It's a way to improve students' literacy, and students may find it fun just because it's different games that they do, and they get multiple tries of doing it, so if they don't get it right the first time, they have another chance of getting it right. And keeps students educated, also keeps them entertained, and that is a positive way to learn. And I think this website is very successful.